Hey y'all, let's make $1 million chicken casserole on a budget. This goes by quickly, but you can pause the screen and grab the ingredients and measurements. Dump into the bowl the chicken, cream cheese, sour cream, cottage cheese, cream of chicken soup, onion and garlic powder to taste, then stir well. For the point of this video, I used canned chicken, but you could also use rotisserie chicken. Go ahead and stir in your broccoli. You could even use canned potatoes or English peas. This recipe is very forgiving. Spray your casserole dish with cooking spray and fold in the chicken mixture. Place the melted butter and Ritz crackers in a Ziploc, crushing and blending them together. Dump the crackers and butter on top of the casserole. Bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Let cool for 15 minutes, then enjoy.